Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 7.3. So let's look at the first subdivision, integral of ax plus b the whole cube dx. Now, there are two ways to do it. The one form is to expand ax plus b the whole cube using the formula a plus b the whole cube. So which we have been trying to solve through the previous exercises. But if the power is going to be more than 3, then it becomes difficult for us to solve through this approach. So let's learn the alternative approach of using the method of substitution. Now, how does it work? I know the general form of integration x power n dx is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So I have to make this integration look into a similar format of this. Only then I will be able to solve. Please note, although you have an expression, it is a linear expression inside the cube. I only want a variable with a powered explained. So this particular expression, ax plus b, I'm going to substitute t is equal to ax plus b. Now this means dt will be equal to a dx, and dx can be rewritten as dt divided by a. Why? Because I'm going to change the entire integration in terms of variable t. So now let's rewrite. So this is going to be integral of, remember this whole expression is t, so it is t cube. Dx has to be substituted as dt divided by a. Now a is a constant, so I'm taking it out of integration. So it is 1 by a integral t cube dt. Now you compare. See, initially it was in a linear equation raised to the power 3. Now I have just made the change and made it look like an alternate variable. Instead of x, I have put in an alternate variable of t. Now you can do direct integration. So this is 1 by a t power 4 by 4 plus c. So this is t power 4 by 4a plus c. Please remember, t is something, a variable that we introduced on it. So replace it in terms of x. So what is the value of t? It is ax plus b. So we will replace this as ax plus b the whole power 4, the whole thing divided by 4a plus c. So now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. Question is integral of 4e power 3x plus 1 dx. So first let's break this into two parts in integration. So this will become integral of 4e power 3x dx plus integral of dx. On even further simplification, I'm taking the 4 out. So it is e power 3x dx plus integral dx. Now, we know the formula for integration for e power x. Integral of e power x dx is e power x plus c. Now, the power in the e is just the variable x. You can't have a constant here. So now I'm going to replace this 3x with the variable t so that I can get it into this particular format. So let's do that. So t is equal to 3x. So this means dt is equal to 3 dx, or dx is going to be equal to dt divided by 3. Why? Because I have to replace this entire integration everywhere with variable t. So now let's substitute it here. So this is 4 into integral of e power t dt divided by 3. Why? Because the dx value is dt by 3 plus integral of dx. Now I can take this 3 outside. So this will become 4 by 3 integral of e power t dt plus integral dx. This is independent, so I've just kept it as such. Now let's do the integration. So this is 4 by 3 e power t plus x plus c. Remember, t is a temporary variable we introduced. So let's put it back into the original variable. So the final integration result will be 4 by 3 e power t is 3x. So I'm reproducing the 3x here plus x plus c. In the next video, we will find solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.